I reached the train station at 12:30 to go to the Berlin airport. My flight leaves for Lisbon around 2:30. This trip was actually fairly spontaneous as my friend and I were looking for a cheap, exciting place to travel to at the end of July, and Lisbon just happened to fall into our lap. It was cheap, it was by the water, and it was just 3 hour flight. Could we ask for anything better? So we booked our flight on Ryanair, and overall the experience was pretty positive. What's up guys, welcome to my brand new video. I have finally landed in Lisbon, Portugal. Now I'm gonna take metro to go to my Airbnb. So stay with me because this journey is gonna be amazing. Our Airbnb was in Bairro, Alto. If you want to see nightlife, I strongly recommend Bairro, Alto. This area has a lot of bars and restaurants. The next morning we went to the Estoril ferry terminal and took the 10-minute ferry ride to Casillas in Almada. From Casillas to Estoril we took a taxi. So right now I'm in the city of Almada, and as you can see that behind me is the 25th April Bridge and the whole Lisbon city. And in front of me there is a statue of Jesus which is 110 meter tall. The Portuguese Estoril was inspired by the statue of Christ, the Redeemer, on Corcovado Mountain in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. After the visit of Estoril and 25th April Bridge, we headed to the beach. The last day we visited Lisbon city center, where I noticed that Portugal is incredibly diverse. I love seeing beautiful people stroll the streets with amazing style and joyful spirits. Then we decided to once again go to the beach to enjoy the sunset.